Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to renew HDFC Ergo Health Insurance online. In this video I will be showing you how to renew the health insurance using the HDFC Ergo mobile app. Here is the HDFC Ergo mobile app, and at the bottom you need to click on this hamburger menu, click on more and click on login, and you need to enter your mobile number and you need to click on login, and after that you need to enter the OTP and click on verify. Once you have successfully logged into the HDFC Ergo mobile app, the user interface looks like this. Since our policy is linked to our mobile number, it will automatically fetch the policies. Under my policies, you can see that health insurance, click on that. Here is my health insurance policy. It is going to expire on 30th June this month. So to renew the policy, you need to click on renew button and you need to enter the policy number over here. After entering your policy number, you need to click on submit. It will show your policy name, policy number and the policy tenure. As I said, my policy is going to expire on 30th June this month. Below that it will show you the list of members which are enrolled in the policy, and below that it will show you your current sum assured. For 10 lakhs policy, the premium is 18,403, and they will give you an option to increase your health insurance policy. Here they have given the quote for 15 lakhs health insurance policy, then the premium is 22,058 rupees. You can select the upgraded sum insured or you can select current sum assured. I am going to select current sum assured, and after that you need to accept the terms and conditions. Here you can see that at the bottom, and after that you need to click on pay now. Now it will redirect to payment gateway page. Select any one of the payment methods and do your renewal for your health insurance policy. I am going to pause this video and I will get back to you once I make the payment. Once you make the payment successfully, you will get the message and the email to your registered email address and the mobile number, and the message will look like this: your Optima Restore Family policy has been renewed successfully. So that's it guys. In this way you can renew your health insurance using the HDFC Ergo mobile app. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.